In this video, let me show you the way that you fix the Spotify songs not playing. Now, if you're facing this issue, this is not something major and this can be easily fixed within a few steps. The first thing that you can do in this case is try to close the app of Snapchat from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the second thing that you can do is look for new updates available. Search for Spotify on the Play Store or the App Store, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Other than this, what you can also make sure that is the app cache is cleared out. So what you can do is tap and hold the app of Spotify on your device, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on storage and then tap on clear cache. Once you complete this step, try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, what you can do is uninstall the Spotify app from your phone and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should be now fixed. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Spotify song not playing error. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today.